Hey, how's it going, guys? I thought I'd show you this cool little tool that I made myself to help me out with this project. So I've got this thing coming up where I need to make just boatloads of this sort of thing, and some of them need to be a whole lot bigger than that. So I'm making this quadcopter race course, right? And you see all those gray rocks there? I need to cut all those out of cardboard, which is a lot of shapes, and I found that. Getting all the angles to line up and all the lengths of the sides and stuff to line up is turning out to be kind of challenging just to do by hand. So I've made myself this tool here, which the idea here is that I've got this little projector here that projects down onto my cardboard here. The shapes that I need to cut out. So like that's one side of the 3D shape, and that's another one, and that's another one. So then I come in and I take my pencil and mark out my corners, and then I can use my knife and I can cut it, which is super cool. It works out great. Check it out. Here's one that I made a little bit earlier. But there is one thing to this that I really like. So it's a projector, right? And it's kind of just sitting there like it's just duct tape to it, right? So the size and the shape that it's projecting down onto here is, a little bit wonky. Like if I'm a little bit askew on the cardboard, the actual shape would be different. And it might be a different size. So I needed to get that to actually line up and be in real world coordinates. So in my app here, I made a little calibration tool. So we're doing a calibration, and I need to match some physical reference to the projection. So what I've done here is I've just used a piece of notebook paper because it's commonly available and I know the dimensions, they're consistent. Let me get my mouse over here. So I've got it set up so that I can move the projection around, and I can zoom it in and out until it about matches. And then I've also got these little handles over here that I can grab and distort this thing until it lines up, which I gotta say is a little bit finicky. I want to make that a bit better, but it works out. So once I get it all calibrated, I can take the paper away and flip back into my my mode here where I can just cut through my shapes, and I know exactly what I've got them numbered so that I can match it back to the 3D model. And yeah, anyway, it's kind of cool. Hoping this little quadcopter race is going to be a lot of fun. Anyway, talk to you guys later.